Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stir-fry veggies. First, select a variety of fresh, crisp vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Wash them thoroughly and then cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Don't forget to prepare your stir-fry sauce in advance. This saves time and ensures a smooth cooking process. Having everything ready before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. Now, let's talk about the cooking technique. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat until it's very hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil. Begin by adding harder vegetables, such as carrots and broccoli, cooking them for about 2 minutes before adding softer ones. Remember to stir-fry quickly and continuously to ensure even cooking and to keep your vegetables crisp and vibrant. Once your vegetables are cooked to your desired tenderness, it's time for the sauce. Pour your pre-made stir-fry sauce directly over the hot vegetables in the wok. Toss everything quickly to ensure every piece is evenly coated with that delicious flavor. Cook for just about 1 minute more, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. Serve your stir-fry immediately, while it's hot and fresh, to enjoy the best possible flavor and texture. For a truly perfect stir-fry, here are a few extra tips. Avoid overcrowding your pan, as this can steam the vegetables instead of stir-frying them. Cook in 2 or 3 batches if necessary. Feel free to experiment with various vegetable combinations and proteins to keep things exciting. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade stir-fry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.